Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I am going to be putting a card together with you today using our brand new Stamp of the Month, Coffee with My Gnomies. And I just love how the artist draws her gnomes. They're just so cute. And we have two sentiments: life happens, coffee helps. Gnome buddy, talk to me until I've had my coffee. So we have a die that comes with the stamp and die of the month, and the die does cut out the two sentiments and all the other little images in the stamp set, or you could just purchase the stamp if you didn't want the die. I'm using the bubble tea paper pad, and I've used this cute little star background. If you do want to join the club, there's a drop-down menu that you need to open up and choose monthly, and that will get you an 18% discount, and then your set will ship out every 30 days from your date of purchase. So what I've gone and done is we're going to make a landscape card, and I've cut out my hill, so I thought that green matched really nicely. And then I've cut out these little cloud corners, and this is a die from Trinity Stamps, and I will have this die listed in the description box. I do have it available in the shop, and I'm going to use that to add some clouds to my background. Let's see how I had this laid out before. I forgot how I wanted this laid out. I think I did it like this. Okay, I think I had my clouds laid out like that. And then I'm going to have my little gnomies like this. And then I'm going to stamp out my sentiments. And I could actually stamp out my sentiment and put it in the cloud, or I can stamp it out and have it cut out with the die and then place it anywhere. I could also lay it out like this. I kind of like that better. Okay, so let's lay down our first cloud. So this die is meant for a slimline card, but you can also use it on an A2 size card like I am here. It comes with a rainbow sized for a slimline card, but you could cut your rainbow down. Make sure I have it lined up good. I'm going to put my grass at the bottom. And now my cute little gnomes, and I'm going to pop those guys up. I'm going to stamp the sentiment right here on the cloud. Make sure that my coffee little gnome is not going to be interfering with that. I'm going to use this VersaFine Claire and Nocturne for my sentiment. And I am making this card for the Coffee Lovers blog hop. So if you want to play along, I'll have the link in the description box for you. Not Too Shabby is one of the sponsors, so you can have a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop, plus many other sponsors. So I love how that looks. You can enter any coffee-related themed card into the hop. It's one of those linky parties. So you just link up your card. It's fun to hop along because you get lots of inspiration. You get to see lots of different stamp sets being used. It's just really, really fun. And then there's so many prizes to be won. So these two guys are going to go here, and then I think I'll dress it up with some sequins. So if you have any coffee-related, Not Too Shabby stamps, I would love for you to enter the hop using one of our images. Help spread the word. Get the word out. We are a small company, and the way we grow is through people sharing our products. So we would love for you to share our products. We have a Facebook group, and we do a monthly challenge. We'd love for you to join those. Every month, Teresa comes up with a challenge for us. Last month was a color challenge, and we have one of those links. Okay, so I'm going to position these two guys. Let's see. I think that's... Make sure they're straight on the bottom. They're two little feet. So if you like these cat and me images, sign up for our box of the month. We have some more of the stamps coming for next month, and then our stamp and die of the month. We're going to do a really cute one for Halloween. So cute. So let's grab some sequins. I just have some random things in this tray here, but I have a perfect matching sequence. So I am going to take out the Nouveau Crystal Glaze and use this for my glue. So here is my finished card. I think it turned out really super cute. So I'll have all the links in the description box for you. Head on over to the Coffee Lovers blog hop and submit your card. And I will talk to you guys real soon in the next video. Bye guys!